Okay, pupils, we are on this Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. We are on page 56. We are on module 7, project. Activity 1, look and match, then write. So we'll take a look on these street signs here. So number 1, already given example. So number 1 is stopped. So D, 1D, stopped. And number 2, so this is, you need to solve this puzzle. So this is C, black color, and then white background here. So number 2, maybe you can draw line here. So straight line, I will draw straight line. So number 2 is C, and then go straight. And then number 3, so this is don't turn left. So number 3, A, so don't turn left. So number 3, you solve this puzzle here. And then number 4, we have this yellow background color, yellow. So this one correspondent to B. So 4 is B. Turn right. And number 5, we have green light. So 5 is F. So 5 F. So it means you can walk. So W A L K, walk. Number 6, the final one, E. So we have this red light here. So the opposite of green light is red light. So it means don't walk. So next we go to activity 2. Activity 2, what do the signs say? Look and write. Number 1, don't run. And number 2, don't swim. And number 3, don't ski. So don't ski. And then number 4, don't skateboard. So S K A T E B O A R D. So I write smaller a bit. Don't skateboard. And next we go to activity 3. Look at activity 2. Match the signs to the places. Number 1. So A is 1. And the B. So this is mountain. So don't ski because this is too dangerous. So B is for tree. And then this one we are on the beach. So this C, you don't swim because this is also very dangerous. So C is 2. And the final one, D. So this is stairs, so it's also very dangerous to skate board here. So D is 4. So that's it for this page. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here and then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video there's a link, you can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.